What are you gonna do?
Nothing. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Sometimes I just torture my dogs and other times I make shitty beauty videos. Welcome back. I wonder what this week's gonna be. Seriously though, like you guys keep watching my makeup videos, so I guess in that case I'm not gonna stop making them because it's fun for me. So this does exist on the internet and it looks amazing. It's called opposite or reverse contouring, where you just put the opposite contour in the opposite place. So if you would like to learn how to opposite contour,
Dislikes video.
just keep watching because I'm a professional. I can see up your shorts.
No, you can't.
Yes, I can.
No, I'm wearing jeans. I don't know what you're talking about.
I can see your dick.
I'm a girl. Undislikes video so I can dislike video again. Logs off YouTube, logs back on YouTube, dislikes video again.
Don't stop disliking my video.
No, I won't stop.
I'm just gonna get started here. Guys, if you want me to stop making YouTube videos, guys, if you want me to stop making makeup tutorials, then stop liking them so much. Usually when I contour, I just use like my own human tears. I think I'm gonna do this like nice light color. Let's do all the highlight first. What do you say? So the places that you usually would highlight are like all of these. This is reverse contour.
That's where it would normally be darker.
Yeah, I'm getting mind fucked already. Are you?
I'm getting mine foreplated.
Ooh, 50 Shades Darker. Oh my god. Just someone tweeted a black and white picture of you eating that pickle from the live stream earlier and it just says 50 Shades Darker. Gotta get in here because what we want is the light to hit our cheekbones and bounce out.
Because your cheeks look sore and broken.
My cheeks don't look broken. Okay, my nose looks broken.
You're already looking mad fucked.
Well, finally, the outside matches the inside. Broken, beaten down, sad, tired.
You forgot mad fucked.
Mad fuck. Don't judge me, okay?
Judges you.
Stop judging me!
Can you
I look like Voldemort. You're a muggle. You can't get
No, don't, I'm not a muggle.
You filthy
I'm not,
mudblood.
don't.
I look like I'm waiting in line behind Lindsay Lohan and Paris Hilton just trying to get in that bathroom because I got stuff to do. You know what I'm saying?
Oh, God.
Do you think Paris Hilton still does hard drugs?
Bondage.
She still does Von Dutch.
Yeah, that's hot. Loves it.
Julian's watching The Simple Life for the first time ever, so
hot.
please ignore all of his Paris Hilton and Nicole Richie jokes from a decade ago. Thoughts? Like, look at how big and beautiful my forehead looks. I'm serving some Owen Wilson in the nose. I need this up in here. Now, I've officially given myself almost no eyelid. I look like an amphibian that belongs in a river. Give me a smash or pass right now.
Look this way. Look up. Smash.
Look at my nose. It looks like I have 3 noses.
Okay, slowly turn your head to look over your shoulder. Pass, 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 smash.
That's it.
We have to break up right now.
Jinx, you owe me a Von Dutch hat. Now I'm gonna go into all of the places that I would normally highlight with a deep, heavy contour to push them back into my face.
If I laugh at any point in this video and you're wondering what it is, just assume it's your fucking face.
Now the trick is to get this contour
Oh.
nice in these lines and crevasses.
God! Oh no, Jenna.
What? You know, I thought you'd be a little more open-minded. You watch an awful lot of Face Off.
Yeah, but in that show, they do it well though.
You did not! Don't forget about the Cupid's bow. I promise you this isn't meant to be offensive, but like, I have to highlight my Cupid's bow.
Oh my god, you look so weird.
Why do I look weird?
Don't look at me directly. No, don't.
Smash or pass?
Smash, pass, smash, pass.
I'm gonna start blending now. Is it getting better?
It's looking like day 3 or 4 after a bad sunburn. Smash.
Let's get some good highlight in here. I gotta make these hollows pop, baby.
It kind of just looks like you dirtied up your face and good.
You calling me dirty?
It
Who
looks
you
like
calling dirty,
It looks
daddy?
like you tried to do a Spartan race and like fell at the start line.
Smash?
Give me a little goatee, baby. You literally look like...
I look like my father. Smash?
No!
Smash? I look like kind of just like a dirty old man. Now what? I think it looks good.
You didn't do yourself any favors, but you also didn't ruin your face. It's not the worst thing I've ever seen. Loves it.
Don't fist me and say loves it.
I didn't fist you, I fist bumped you. Jesus Christ. Loves it.
Oh! Ooh, you know who I look like? Sammy Sweetheart. Ryan, stop!
Sweetest bitch you'll ever be. Loves it.
Alright, so there you guys go. Here's the finished look. I think it looks really natural and nice. I look like I went on an expensive ski resort. We went off-roading for Dick and we found it. Boy, did we ever. That's what everyone always thinks when they see this color. They're like, that's not gonna look right. I'm like, no, it looks tan. That's me. I'm tan on the outside. A pale goth wood elf on the inside.
Wood elf.
Yeah, that's me. I'm a Breton dragon mite. Smash your pass.
That's not.
Smash.
Pass, put it back in, put it back in. Sun.
Well, I mean, I thought this was gonna be a little more dramatic than it is, but it was fun doing it. And you know, I gotta be honest, I like the way this mustache looks. It's gonna be $5. Bring that ass, we'll give you a mustache ride, boy. Oh. What are you getting me for Valentine's Day?
Wipes.
Wipes?
Yeah, butt wipes.
But what? I hope that you've thoroughly enjoyed this beautiful reverse contour tutorial. You basically didn't need one. You just put everything in the opposite place where they're supposed to go. But you're welcome. But yeah, make sure you subscribe to my channel. I put out new videos every Wednesday/Thursday.
Smash, 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 smash.
What, incarnation?
I'll knock over the camera.
Dude, knock everything over. Oh my god!